Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Cytomegalovirus IgG Elisa kit. So as you can see, this is the Calbiotech Cytomegalovirus IgG Elisa kit. Now you can see this is the top side and this is the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the Cytomegalovirus CMV IgG Elisa kit. You can see the reference number here, CM027G. You can see this, it has a standard expiry of 2 years. You can see this is a 96 well plate Elisa kit, and it has an optimal storage temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. And you can see the contents of the kit contains the coated well plates, the control, the standard set, the enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate, certification of analysis. And also you can see the manufacturing address over here, and it needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So this is the content of the kit. So let me show you the kit around. So as you can see, this is the immunoassay kit from Calbiotech. You can see it is manufactured in USA. You can see the manufacturing address over here. Okay, so guys, let me open this kit and show you. So as you can see on the top, we can find the Cytomegalovirus CMV IgG Elisa IFU brochure. You can see the catalog number here, CM027G. It's a 96 well plate Elisa analyzer. You can see this is the brochure for it. Then we have the certification of analysis for the CMV IgG Elisa kit. You can see this is the certification of analysis. It contains all the details of the analysis and the data present. Then we have the CMV coated well plates. So this is the CMV coated 96 well plates where the reaction takes place. And after that, we do have a couple of reagents present. So let me show you the reagents present in this kit. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, these are the reagents which comes with the kit, and you can see this is the CMV IgG negative control. Then this would be the CMV IgG calibrator, and then we have the CMV IgG positive control. And apart from that, we have the enzyme conjugate, then we have the TMB substrate, then we have the stop solution, then we have the IgG sample diluent, and then we have the wash concentrate. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Cytomegalovirus IgG Elisa kit. So as you can see, this kit comes with the standard IgM coated well plates. Then we have a couple of reagents, all these reagents and the calibrator and the controls. Then we have the Cytomegalovirus instructions for use, the IFU brochure of it. Then we have the certification of analysis. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech Cytomegalovirus Elisa kit. Thank you.